All right, guys, here's an amazing strategy that can get you thousands and thousands of more visits to your website in just a matter of a couple of weeks. And it's not complicated if you have the right tools, if you have the right strategy, which I'm going to show you all that today. I'm going to give you the tools, I'm going to give you the strategy, I'm going to give you an amazing prompt to help you produce these kind of results. These are all screenshots from Hrefs of companies using this strategy and this software to produce these kind of results. And you can see, I mean, these are all amazing results. This is all combined hundreds of thousands in visits every single month, and a lot of these are amazing hockey stick type growth. And these are across the board, different industries. They're local businesses, SaaS businesses, online businesses, different countries. But a lot of these, they're seeing exponential growth because they're all doing this similar strategy. So that's what I'm going to show you today. I just wanted to show you the proof first, so you know this is not this is the real deal. So I want to share this with you because it's working really, really well. So here is the formula. Here's the weekly formula. I'm going to break this down for you. So, and this is producing most of these are only doing like one blog post a week. So you don't have to do a ton of different blogs. So what you should do is when you're creating your blog, you want to do one clear search intent topic, preferably bottom of the funnel, high search intent topic. And you want to answer the question fast, and you want to lead naturally to the next question in your structure. So here's how you're going to structure everything. So if you have a blog article on how much does this cost, then you're going to do another blog article on is X worth it. This is going to internally link to this one, and then X versus Y, which is going to link to this one, X, and then common mistakes with X. And how this works, kind of a overview of this, is you're going to have your niche, then you're going to have your content clusters, whatever topics and whatever services or topics that are important. So like for instance, if you're a mechanic, maybe this is for brake repair, maybe this was for engine repair, maybe this is for tire repair. And then all of these questions you're going to answer with blog posts, and everything is going to connect together. So this post is going to connect to this post, it's going to connect to this post, it's going to connect to this post. But what you're also going to do is create high value money pages, which are your service pages for each service. So one for brakes, one for engine repair, one for tires. And then you're going to also connect these pages back to the service pages as well, because these are where your call to actions are going to be. You're also going to have call to actions to your blog articles. And then your service pages are going to connect back out to your best blog posts, answering those questions more in depth. So everything's connected. So when people are finding you in search, you're going to either land on your blog post, they're going to land on your service pages, but everything's connected. So you're going to have that flow. But really the whole strategy behind this and why this works so well is creating the blog post based on this high value, high search intent, high buyer intent topics. So this is what you want to be able to do. So, and here's kind of the breakdown of what you have to do to start this. One niche topic, list out 12 questions people already ask about it, kind of do this framework here. And then you want to do one blog, have a blog schedule. The blogging should not be random. You should have a strategy of what you're going to work on every single week. You can use a tool like Arvo, which I'm going to show you, which is going to make this process a lot faster. And then you're going to internally link everything together. So here, first and foremost, is getting this topic structure, right? You're probably like, I don't know what questions. I'm not really sure, off the top of my head. So I have a prompt for you that you can put into ChatGPT, which is going to make your life a heck of a lot easier. So here's the prompt. This is very robust. If you type prompt below, I will copy and paste this in the comments to you. So you don't have to try and figure this out. So the first, what this does is it's going to ask for context, right? So give it as much information as possible. Answer all of these questions. All you have to do is copy and paste this prompt, and that's going to ask you these questions. But answer everyone in detail. That's going to identify core money topics for you. Then it's going to build the bottom of the funnel blog clusters for you on what to write content about. Then it's going to internally link everything together. It's going to give you a linking map so you know what to link together. And then it's going to give you your publishing strategy. As simple as that. And then here's the output requirements. So here's this blog in action that I already did for you, so you don't have to sit and watch me do it. So I just copied and pasted the whole prompt in ChatGPT. And then basically it's going to ask me for all these questions. So I'm just going to literally type 1, answer the question, comma, type 2, answer the question, 3, 4, 5, 6, answer all the questions. So here's what I did. I did it based on dentistry. So this is basic. Again, I would give it every single service as much detail as possible because the output would be better. So here it's based on just basic information, and it gives me the core money topics, which is amazing. Plus it gives me the associated service money page. So this is how you should structure the backlink, your business, and then / dental implants Miami, / emergency dentist. This is how you want to structure it. This is really good for SEO. And that's going to give you the blog clusters. So this is where you're going to do the posts. So this one's for dental implants, bottom of funnel posts, emergency dentistry, all these posts, cavity fillings. So it's giving you the titles and the keywords. So, this is amazing. And this is because this hub page is going to be your keyword, and then these are going to be the posts. So it's all of these clusters, which is awesome. And then here's your internal linking map. Here's how you want to link everything together. So it's literally telling you step by step. And then here's some cross-cluster linking if you want to do that. And then here's your 12-week publishing and scaling plan. Exactly what to do, when to do it. It takes the guesswork out of it. So then what we want to do is, according to this plan, we'll literally just copy this title, go over to Arvo, which is an SEO blogger. And this is different than just you don't want to use ChatGPT or Perplexity or any of them, because it's not going to be SEO friendly. It's going to be noticed as AI because they do watermarks in the back end and stuff like that. So literally all you do is come here, you copy and paste the title and the keyword here, and you click add keywords. It's going to create an input for you, like one of these that I already have done here, based on your article. And then you can go in here and you can further edit this. Like I can go in here and add my knowledge base. So if I have a training manual, I can change the language. I can change the formatting, structure, add a call to action. Internal linking, I can add my own sitemap, so it's going to link everything together automatically. External link, I can add my external links if I have any, or it'll do it for me. It'll do images for me, or I can add my own. It'll do a relevant YouTube video, or I can add my own. So highly customizable, and this is so different because it's using your own information to create these blog articles with AI, so it's not going to be noticed as AI. And it's going to create these blog articles according to the best SEO structure. So it's going to include the H1, H2, H3. It's going to add alt text to the images. It's going to add meta description. It's going to add focused keywords. So all the stuff that you want in literally just a couple of seconds to create these videos. So here's some examples, or here's an example. Let me just find a good one to show you. All right, so here's like one for weight loss, high protein diet plan for women over 40. So if you're in the weight loss niche, you're releasing, if I'm 40, I'm trying to lose weight, this is what's going to show up. And you can see it includes a picture. Here's the TLDR really fast with key takeaways, which is really good. And then to go in, here's an internal link. It's going to do all this stuff for you. It's going to have excerpts, which is really good. And it's going to break everything down. Easy to read, easily formatted, and include a relevant YouTube video, more pictures. At the bottom, it's going to have FAQs, which is really good for AI overviews and AI. Very robust, in-depth article. I can open this up, and I can use the AI that's built in here to edit this. So I can highlight stuff, ask it to rewrite it, add keywords. Anything in here is editable, but you can see kind of has the inner workings of SEO, H3, alt text, meta description, focused keyword. I can use the AI assistant here to just add a paragraph on this or remove this paragraph. So it's all built in, and then you connect this to your website, and you can also set this up as an auto blogger. I can literally take all of these clusters and create a document and upload this up in Arvo, and it'll just create blog articles whenever I want it to. So I can set it up on a weekly schedule, bi-weekly, daily, whatever I want to do. And it's completely hands-off once you have this information. So this is kind of what's next level. But there's a link below. You can see Arvo for free and try that out. But that is what these people are using to release amazing articles a lot faster. So I would suggest using it right away. It's just going to make your life a lot easier. Now, finally, a couple of pro tips. Make sure you're linking everything together, including the money pages, like I already talked about. That's how this all works with this strategy. Another pro tip is if you can relate your blog articles to any trending topic or any trending celebrity topic, that'll help give you a little bit more fuel. It's not required, but some niches can easily be related, especially like health and wellness. If a celebrity is doing it, you can talk about that. You can relate, your service to what this person did and get a little bit more traction. So that's pretty cool. And the last, final, most important is to do a TLDR overview at the top. You should summarize at the very top of the article, answering their question. Whatever question or whatever information your title was about should be answered right away. It's good for ChatGPT. It's good for AI overviews. They're pulling that right away. It's also good for people that are coming there. You're answering their question right away. You're not giving them fluff. If you give them fluff, they're not going to want to sort through it. They're going to leave. So it's like your hook, basically. You have a couple of seconds to engage them. Give them the information right away, just like Arvo does here. They're given the TLDR right away up here with this, and the takeaways is kind of like version 2. So you're answering their question, and then you're going to go more into kind of peeling back the layers and going more into the topic. But you want to give them what they want to know right away. So they may, if you give them what they want to know, they're going to be faster to click into your money pages. They're going to stay longer. They're going to bounce to other articles. If you don't, they're going to move on and get that information from someone that provides it, because people's attention spans are pretty much non-existent nowadays, in case you didn't know. So that's it, guys. That's the whole strategy. Again, there's a link to Arvo below. This is going to connect everything together with this strategy. And the prompt, if you want to just type prompt, I'll share it with you. It's an amazing prompt that's going to give you all this information and give you the plan, just make your life a heck of a lot easier.